Question number 27. Point X is at a distance d from the center of the earth. We write the earth over here, and point X is at a distance d from the center of the earth. D is larger than the radius of the earth. Okay, I have drawn. The gravitational field strength at X is Gx. Here it is Gx. Gx. Point Y is at a distance of 3d from the center of the earth. Point Y is at a distance of 3d from the center of the earth. The gravitational field strength here is Gy, I think. Let me take Gy over. Okay. What is the difference in the magnitudes of the gravitational field strength between x and y? He is asking you what is Gy minus Gx is what is being asked. So how do we solve this? Now Gx, what is the expression for Gx? Gx is equal to capital G, capital M divided by d square, right? And what is Gy? Gy is equal to capital G, capital M divided by this distance is different. It will be 9d square. Many of them what they do is they divide one by the other and get the answer. Okay? And finally they will mark Gx by 4 because most of the time such questions are being asked which is a ratio. So here he is not asking this way, he is asking in a different way. Okay, so now what do I need? I need Gy minus Gx, or Gx minus Gy. Okay, so though you get a negative answer, take it positive. Okay, so now if I take Gx minus Gy, because he is asking you magnitude, okay, I don't need the negative values. So this should be equal to Gm divided by d square minus Gm divided by 9d square. So what should be the answer? It should be Gm by d square into 1 minus 1 by 9, which should be equal to 8 Gm divided by 9d square. 8 Gm by 9d square. Now Gm by d square is nothing but Gx, right? Gm by dx is nothing but Gx. So 8 Gx divided by 9. 8 Gx by 9 is option A.